Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating countries in the world, Mongolia. Mongolia enjoys a remarkable amount of sunshine, with around 250 sunny days a year, contributing to its nickname, Land of the Eternal Blue Sky. This makes it a land of stark contrasts, as it also experiences one of the most extreme continental climates. Winters can drop below 40 degrees C, creating a landscape of breathtaking extremes. Summers, while having significant temperature swings, are generally warm, with typical highs around 25 to 30 degrees. In the Gobi Desert and some lowland areas, occasional heat waves can push temperatures above 40 degrees, 104 degrees, but this is not common. Despite its vast, rugged landscapes, Mongolia has an impressive literacy rate of over 98%, putting it on par with many developed nations. It's also the second-largest landlocked country in the world, surrounded by only two neighbors, Russia to the north and China to the south. Covering 1.56 million square kilometers, it ranks as the seventh-largest country in Asia and the 19th largest on the planet. One of Mongolia's most awe-inspiring natural wonders is the Gobi Desert, a major desert in Asia known for its extreme temperatures, rich fossil finds, and vast landscapes. Winter temperatures here can plunge as low as 40 degrees Celsius, and even in summer, nighttime temperatures can drop below freezing in certain areas. The Gobi has been a treasure trove for paleontologists, revealing some of the world's most important dinosaur fossils, including the first discovery of dinosaur eggs in the 1920s. But Mongolia's true claim to fame is its history. In the 13th century, it was the heart of the Mongol Empire, the largest contiguous empire in history, founded by the legendary Genghis Khan. At its peak, the Mongol Empire stretched from Korea to Eastern Europe, connecting civilizations through trade, technology, and culture. Even today, many Mongolians take pride in their historical connection to Genghis Khan, and genetic studies suggest millions worldwide may share ancestry with him. Beyond its history and geography, Mongolia has a unique nomadic culture. Around a third of its people still live as herders, moving across the vast steppes with their livestock, just as their ancestors did centuries ago. The iconic Naadam festival, featuring wrestling, horse racing, and archery, celebrates Mongolia's warrior traditions and is a must-see event. From its extreme landscapes to its rich history and enduring traditions, Mongolia is truly a land of wonder. See you next time!